Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Bug Bounty series. Today, we're going to look at a very interesting and often overlooked vulnerability, exposing sensitive encryption keys on the client side, even when they are not visible in the source code. At first, the application looks completely secure. If you check the page source, you won't find any API keys, passwords, or tokens. Everything seems hidden, maybe even obfuscated. So many people might assume there's no issue here. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of just relying on the source code, we move to runtime analysis using the browser's developer console. When the application is running, it still needs to use certain secrets internally, in this case, an AES encryption key. Even though the key is not directly visible, it exists in the browser's memory. By interacting with JavaScript variables and using functions like crypto.js encoding methods, we can extract that key in readable formats like hex or base64. And once we have the key, it's game over. This means an attacker can potentially decrypt sensitive data, forge encrypted requests, or even directly interact with backend APIs depending on how the key is used. The biggest takeaway here is simple. Hidden does not mean secure. If a secret is present in client-side code, even dynamically generated or obfuscated, it can always be extracted by an attacker. The browser is not a secure environment because the user has full control over it. So what's the fix? Never store or handle sensitive secrets like encryption keys on the front end. All critical operations should be handled on the back end, using secure key management systems. So next time you're testing an application, don't just stop at the source code. Go deeper, analyze runtime behavior, and you might uncover hidden vulnerabilities like this. If this is useful, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.